Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Siri not working in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now here scroll down, click on Siri. Now here click on talk to Siri. Now here click on Siri or Hey Siri, enable Siri. Now here go back. You will check your Siri is working. If it not working, so again click on settings. Now in settings scroll down, click on Siri. Now here click on talk to Siri. So click on this button, turn on, turn off this button. So click on off, turn off Siri. Hold 1, 2, 3 seconds. So again click on Siri or Hey Siri, enable Siri, continue. Your Siri is working. So that's how you can fix Siri not working in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.